Hello guys, welcome to the Heart of Learning Minds. Sometimes it is very hard to digest things, especially when you read things, like when you're reading a book or maybe a PDF or maybe an article on the internet. But our brain has a unique design of understanding things. It will understand and retain more information when it feels a physical experience. That may be of anything like sense of touch or maybe a sound or maybe any physical activity or a visual experience. But at some point you want to explain specific topic to your colleagues or maybe some people, or maybe you want to give a presentation in your class. So at that point, if you want to give the best experience of your content, this tool, the Napkin AI, is a very helpful tool to create stunning presentations. In this video, let us have the complete reference of how to use it. Go to the link napkin.ai. This is the homepage. This is how it looks like. You may see pricing here. For now it is completely free. They're not charging any money, but at some point they may charge fee based on the usage. So let us sign in and get started. If you're hitting it the first time, it will ask to sign up. So I'm hitting the sign in with Google. Now you need to choose your email. I'm choosing this. Now it is asking how are you planning to use the napkin. Let's say for personal use. It is asking where are you planning to use your napkins visuals. Let's say presentation, social media, blogs and newsletters. It is enough for this. It is a button, create my first napkin. Let's click it. It is giving two options. You can add your content on your own, or maybe you can generate it by using AI. Okay. So let us go with the manual content and then I will go with other tools. Okay. First, let us go with the manual content by pasting our content. So we got a blank paper. Now let us write our content. 5 senses of a human being. Now if you hover here, it will ask for a title icon. You can choose any of the icons here. Let's suppose, let us choose this maybe. Okay. If you choose this, it will ask some more options. If you click on it, it will ask for some more options. See, you can choose the color here, whatever the color you want, and here you can choose the thickness of the icon, and here you can choose the shape, how much rounded the curves should be. Now you can download it as a PNG, SVG or a PPT, but these are for later. I will show you how to do that. If you click on this thunder icon, you can choose to replace with another icon, or maybe you can search here, let's say human. You can see this, okay? Like this you can replace the things. Now let us write the main content. I have already write it. Let us paste the content. If you hover on the content, you will see a thunder icon. So on clicking on it, it will generate the sequence of images. So you can choose whatever you want. Let's click on it. So this is how it generates. Now see, there are lots of sequences. You can choose whatever you want. So let's say, so these are the images it generated. So let us choose this brain icon, brain image, okay? And upon clicking it, it will ask for styles. So you can choose any style you want. So let's say this violet one. Okay, now the image is selected. Now the beautiful part is you can edit every piece of it. If you want to edit the title, you can edit the content on it. The 5 senses. Now you can choose any font you want. Let's say this one. You can bold it. This is the size of the font. This is the size of the font. And this is the alignment. You don't need much alignment, if I may say. You can choose the color. It's a green. Maybe white is a better one. And you can add some background. Let's say the rectangular one is the better one, or maybe the rounded one. Okay. You can edit these contents too. For example, if you want to change this icon, see, you can click on this thunder icon and choose whatever the icon you want, or search for the icons. Okay, I am choosing this one, and you can choose the color too. Okay, let's say pink one. I don't know what color is that. And we have generated a specific topic which can explain it visually. Now, if you see here, you can download this image and use it somewhere. If you click on download, it will ask for what type of format you want, either PNG, SVG, or maybe PPT or PDF, etc, etc. Or maybe you want in the light mode or dark mode. Okay, and it will ask for backgrounds, It's all based on your needs. Let us download one by one and see how it downloads, okay? Let us say PNG. If I download it, let's go to the downloads and let's see how it is represented, how it is presented. So the image is downloaded, and likewise you can download in any format you want. SVG will give a certain code which you can paste it in somewhere, okay? And the PPT, if you download it, it will give a slide. Let us see that, how it works, okay? So let us download it and see the PPT, how it is generated. See the 5 senses, it didn't give any, the text is not visible because it is white, or maybe you can download it with the background if you want. Light mode and download. Let's see how it works. So it is, the text is appearing when you download in light mode, okay? Now if you see at the bottom, there are some options you can see. It is a spark search. What does it mean? Say here you can add any extra icons you want. Let us suppose I searched brain. If you search brain, there are many options, many icons you see here. So let's say this is the artificial intelligence robot. I'm clicking on it. Now a new icon is generated where you can use it anywhere, okay? You can choose any color you want, and the other options are similar to the existing one, okay? Now if you see this is a label. If you click on it, you can add a label to it. Let's say it is artificial intelligence, okay? Now if you see here, this is a sketch tool where you can write manually. If you hover on them, you see the dots, right? It means that you can connect things. Let us suppose I can connect this with this, okay? Likewise, or maybe you can write manually. You're getting my point, right? And this is, you can upload any image you want into the document. Let's click on it. It will give you 3 options. You can upload, or maybe drag and drop, or maybe copy and paste, like you copy any image and paste it here. So let us upload here, okay? Let us choose one image. Let's say this one. This is how it looks like, okay? So you can upload images like that. This is how the image is uploaded. Now you can resize or do whatever you want with this. Here also it is giving download option, or you can add any titles you want. And now another feature is, if you hover at right side, see it is asking to add any comments here. Let's say this works great, comment. So it will save there, okay? This is another cool feature it has. Now this is how you're going to create a visually appealing document. Now it's time to download it. At the top right, if you see, there is a button called library. You can see your napkins. It means that the documents you have made here, okay? If you click on this menu icon, you see bunch of options. Duplicate this napkin. Of course, it will create another replica of your document, okay? And now you can download it in many ways. Now when it comes to download, there are bunch of options you will have. See, there are page format and the color mode, if you see whether you want the light or dark. Let us go with the light mode first, and a single continuous page and download. Downloads. Now this is a single continuous page you see. See how beautifully it generated the document, right? The 5 senses of human being. Now let us go with another option. Let's say US letter, download. I don't know what format is this. Now let's go with the presentation. Everyone wants this option, right? Download it and see how it generates it. This is how it generated. If you see here, it created slides. Slide 1 has the content and slide 2 has the illustration we have made. You're getting my point, right? This is how you can create documents in a visually appealing way. You can export into PDF or maybe any presentation you want. And this is what the Napkin AI is.